Hey, what's up people? It's Ali from isocialyou.com, and in this video I want to show you a really simple and useful Chrome extension. First, let me show you this thing in action. So if I go to Google and let's say I search for my keyword Facebook marketing. Let's say I want to write a blog post or content related to Facebook marketing. Now look at that right here. So my Chrome browser is showing me the volume for that keyword and also the CPC and also the competition. And if you scroll all the way towards the bottom, check this out. So it used to be just the related searches, but now I can see right here what's the volume, search volume, the CPC, and also the competition. How cool is that? So when you are trying to find keywords for your blog content, this extension can be really helpful. So this extension is called, it's right here, it's called Keywords Everywhere. So if you go to the settings right here, so if you go to the Google Chrome store, just type Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension and then you will find it. And then it actually works on, look at this, any of the supported websites. So it'll work on Google search, Amazon, YouTube, Bing, a lot of other search engines, and you can play with all these settings. Now another cool thing is, let's say if I want to do some research, I can do bulk upload keywords. And now let's add some keywords here. So Facebook ads, Facebook marketing, Facebook for SMB, small medium businesses. And then let's hit the get search volume and look at this. Ooh, looks like that's a bad keyword. No one is searching for Facebook for SMB, small medium businesses. So you see how cool this extension is. I believe they have a paid plan that you can upgrade to, but I just use the free one. And mostly what I do is it's added to my Chrome right here. And then whenever I'm doing searches, I can quickly see the search volume and then decide if I want to use that keyword in my blog content or not. So super simple Chrome extension. I have fun using it, so do check it out, and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos related to marketing hacks and experiments.